Makachena ere msekuru.
Ndakachena.
Makachena. Zvekuti nhasi mhuri yakataura kuti ngatitsvagei kana kuti ngatichenese musha munotenda.
Ngavaende ndinotenda.
Inini mune muendi.
Inini pang'anga ere. Ndataura inini ndikati pang'anga nemuprofita handiendi. No.
This man is being ganged up by his family members to go and see a prophet after his own brother went to see TB Joshua somewhere around 2017 and was told that this brother is the cause of the misery in the family. This is what is happening across Africa. That the whole story is on Karanganda TV. This family of this man is a family of boys, and they have ganged up on their own brother, and he is now being forced to agree to go and see a witch doctor so that they can cure the family. He can clear his name from being called a witch. This has been happening across Zimbabwe and across Africa, that families, they find themselves at these loggerheads, and it is mainly caused by religion of prophets, religion of witch doctors. They have divided families over and over in so many years. Some people don't see eye to eye. Some people have killed each other. Some people have vowed not to talk to each other. Some people, they've died with a lot of anger and bitterness because they were told that their family member, who I'm not saying it could be innocent, has been accused of witchcraft which don't exist. And the story also even gets messier. In this story that happened in Manicaland, which is on Karanganda TV, the family gangs up on this brother, and the other brother actually wielded an axe on this man and wanted to kill him on Christmas Day, and he was stopped by his own father. However, this did not stop there. When they were taken to the headman for questioning, the headman ended up taking the side of the family and said that you need to go and see Tsikamtanda or these witch doctors that try to witch hunt families or villages. When people are saying it's no longer raining or things, there are some misfortunes that we are seeing in the village, they call Tsikamtanda. And some of you are witnesses to this, that many people have been forced to accept to go to Tsikamtanda against their beliefs. They are being told that if you don't do this, you'll be forced to be kicked out of the village because you have disobeyed the orders of the village to go under Tsikamtanda. But these Tsikamtandas, they are not clean. Having worked with some of these people in my work, I've seen a lot of them, they are fake. I know that it's not just a few, but many. But because people are gullible, they end up believing what these people tend to tell them. Not only that, if you look on the political side, looking at the case story of this man, you realize that a lot of people are being forced to go and support a political party because they are a minority of a party supporter in a village. This is what is happening to this man, being told that you have to go, otherwise. And they said, church. If we accept that Zimbabwe is a democratic state, then these things should not be happening, because under the law of our land, witchcraft is not recognized as a crime. You see, so arresting witchcraft or accusing someone of witchcraft, it is actually against the law. But in the eyes of the chief, they say there is nothing wrong with that. But prophets have been doing this. They've been accusing family members of witchcraft, and they've not faced the full might arm of the law. If we believe this is democracy, and we believe that everyone has got the right of association, right to all these other freedoms, why is it that it is very difficult in this day and age for people to just respect someone to say, okay, I support this party in the village, and people should just walk away. But as you can see, this whole crowd is ganging up against one man and say, so that you can clear your name. What do you make of this scenario that TB Joshua created? Because he is also being fingered in this scenario in Zimbabwe. But not only him, a lot of Mazibaba prophets and other prophets are the cause of a thorn in the flesh in families where people accuse each other of witchcraft and people don't see eye to eye. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you make of this scenario that this man finds himself in, and what TB Joshua's prophecy has done to this family? No peace for almost 7 years. See you in the comments, and I'll see you again in the next video.